Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Now is June 8, 2024, Saturday. As you can see guys, andito na naman ako sa solar power system room ng house namin. Kasi may bago kaming ini-install dito. Ito, solar charge controller na malaki. Tapos nilagyan namin ng nag-install kami ng solar charge controller na maliit. Ito. At ito, DC to DC inverter to. At bumili kami ng bumili kami ng power station na maliit at power station na malaki. On the other term or on the other word, tinatawag to na solar generator. So, lilinawin ko lang guys ha, ang generator namin dalawa, malaki at maliit. Pero, ang generator namin ay hindi gasolina at hindi diesel. Ang generator namin, solar generator. So, itong malaking solar generator na to guys, pag may iPhone na cellphone tayo, ito, iPhone na cellphone, di ba? Pag nilalagay natin dito, automatic magcha-charge siya. Ilagay natin na. At wireless siyang magcha-charge. Automatic siyang magcha-charge. So, guys, ang ganda talaga, guys. Power station. On the other term or on the other word, solar generator. So, guys, all I can see, guys, very lucrative talaga, pakinabang talaga. So, guys, hindi talaga exaggerated to. What you see is what you get. Nothing more, nothing less. Walang labis, walang kulang, guys. Good talaga ang mga quality. At nakakatipid na tayo sa pagbayad ng kuryente. Durable pa at affordable pa kasi hindi naman to kamahalan eh. Kunting ipon lang, makakabili na tayo nito. Pero ang ROI or return of investment natin, mga I think 8 months lang mababawi na natin, pero 10 years natin silang magagamit. Ang benepisyo natin sa paggamit, mga 10 years. So, hindi na biro yun ha, ang tagal na nun. 10 years ang lifespan ng mga products na to, saka na sila masira. So, guys, naniniwala ba kayo sa kasabihang no guts, no glory? Ang ibig sabihin nun, pag hindi nyo susubukan, hindi nyo malalaman. So, andyan na sa harapan nyo, pero binabaliwalan nyo. It's up to you guys. It's your choice. You're old enough and you know already what's right and what's wrong. Charot. So guys, one more thing guys. Pag na-invest tayo nito, hindi tayo talaga mag-regret, hindi tayo maghihinayang, hindi tayo, kasi walang masasayang. At saka to cut the long story short guys, mag-solar na tayo guys. So guys, what are you waiting for guys? Just click the yellow basket guys. Ang nire-recommend ko ng mga products dyan guys, makikita nyo dyan at malalaman nyo kung ano ang ginagamit ko na products, kung ano ang brand niya, kung ilang watts siya at kung ilang volts siya at kung magkano ang price niya, kasi nagdidepende ang price kung gaano kalaki ang gusto mong bilhin guys. So guys, yan guys, tingnan nyo guys ha. Bumili kami ng maliit generator na maliit. Bumili kami ng malaki automatic pang mag-charge ang iPhone cellphone nyo. At bumili kami ng 8 batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 batteries. So yan guys. Yan. So guys, can't you see guys? Can you imagine? Ito lang ang nagpro-provide ng kuryente sa amin. May tatlo kaming TV, 55 inches, dalawa, at saka 32 inches, isa, at 8 ceiling fans. I thought 7 ceiling fans, 8 pala ang ceiling fans sa buong bahay namin. Pero umaandar yan lahat. May rice cooker pa kami, may freezer pa kami, ang koi fish pan ko, may 35 watts na aerator, may 34 watts na submersible pump, at may 8 watts na UV light. So guys, believe me or not guys, grabe talaga, sila ang pinagkukunan namin ng kuryente. Apat, ito lang sila guys, ito lang lahat. So can you imagine guys? Can't you see guys? Isn't it amazing? Isn't it surprising? Isn't it exciting? Joke, charot. Totoo talaga guys. Pero totoo talaga guys. So, guys, I think for this time, hanggang dito muna lang tayo, guys. So, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa mga TikTok vlogs ko, sa mga TikTok friends ko, take care always together with your family, and also always pray. And God the Father, and God the Son, Lord Jesus Christ, and Mama Virgin Mary, I love you very much, and thank you so much. That's all, bye-bye.